After a while, I decided, I've got to do something. It was either buy a whole new wardrobe or do something about it. And so I got online and did some research. I saw a link to the fat burning furnace. There were a lot of things that really intrigued me. So I decided to buy the program. And I thought, for $39.95, it's worth a shot. My health here is important, and $40 wasn't a whole lot to spend. And I downloaded the ebook and read through it, and it was very well done. It was easy to read. It was very, very easy to follow. You can create your own menu. They provided you with a chart of the different kinds of foods, and you basically just pick out what you want, what you like, and go with that plan. I lost about 3 inches on my waist and 2 on my hips, and lost about 4% fat from the time that I had started. And my husband and I set a goal that we would get back to our wedding day weight, and we had to do it by a certain amount of time. It was great because we did just that. And I am now working as a wellness center specialist, and whenever I could, I would refer them to the site. They could see what it had done for me, and they were excited about it, and I'm excited about having my old body back. I'm fit, I'm healthy, and I'm happy. And thank you, Fat Burning Furnace, for making this a reality.